for us for 2021 specifically is the demand for more high temp materials and more chemical resistant materials. One of the materials we're looking to release in 2021, hopefully Q2, maybe Q1, Q2, is high density polyethylene, something that's more comparable to a fractional melt. So I think that's going to have a real appeal on the market. And because of the ease, you know, ethylene's not a high temp material, so it's easy to print, it's easy to work with, it's low cost if you make mistakes, but it's a highly, it's a material that's on high demand within traditional manufacturing. If you talk to most people working in the mold industry, they're working with ethylene. So we're excited about that. It's not officially released, but for 2021, for us, that's going to be a good product to put out.
Our development in some of the other solids-based products is going to continue along, and the theme is the same as what Chad just said. Maybe, I guess, from our perspective, a pretty exciting thing for us is our business, as well as another piece of DSM, was acquired by Covestro. And Covestro has a presence in additive in different chemistries than what we have. So that's just going to, I think, strengthen our portfolio and offering out there into the market. So that's definitely a big thing for us, for sure.
Pretty excited that we've got a what we're calling chroma motive, a new grade coming out that's right now, the initial results show that it's about 80% tougher than EPU 40 at the same hardness level. And so we're just getting the suite of tests done to show really where its performance is at. But you know, we're really excited about bringing to market kind of the toughest flexible material available.